Moment of inertia of an area. Example is an irregular section. Ang cross-section ay trapezoidal section na mayroong circular hole. Ang una muna natin gagawin is find the area. To find the area, i-divide natin yung cross-section into parts. Yung trapezoid ay dinivide into two triangles. So the upper triangle is first part, the lower triangle is the second part, and yung circle is the third part. Area 1 is equal to 1/2. The base is 350. The height is 600. Equal to 105,000. Area 2 is equal to 1/2. The base is 250. The height is 600. Equal to 75,000. Area 3 is equal to pi times the radius is 75 and then square. Equal to 5,625 pi. So the area of the cross section is equal to area 1 plus area 2 minus area 3. Equal to 162,328.5413. Next step is solve for the centroid. Say ito yung centroid and yung distance niya from the bottom is YB. To solve for YB, we take moment of area about the bottom. The moment of the total area about the bottom is 162,328.54 YB equal to the moment of the component areas about the bottom. For area 1, the moment of area is 105,000 times the distance of its centroid from the bottom equal to 2/3 of 600. Plus, for area 2, the moment of area is 75,000 times the distance of its centroid from the bottom equal to 1/3 of 600. Then minus, para sa third part, the moment of area is 5,625 pi times the distance of its centroid from the bottom equal to 300. So YB is equal to 318.4810384. Next step is solve for the moment of inertia about the centroid. Kung gagawa tayo ng cutting plane passing through the centroidal axis, medyo magiging mahirap ang calculation ng moment of inertia about this axis. So ang gagawin natin, maghahanap tayo ng axis kung saan madaling mag-solve ng moment of inertia. Sa problem na to, madaling mag-solve ng moment of inertia about the bottom at tawagin natin siyang x-axis. So the moment of inertia of the cross-section about the x-axis is equal to, para sa first part, the moment of inertia of the triangle about the x-axis, which is the tip, is equal to 1/4 times the base is 350 times the height is 600, then cube, plus, para naman sa second part, the moment of inertia of the triangle about the x-axis, which is the base, is equal to 1/12 times the base is 250 times the height is 600, then cube. Then para sa third part is minus the inertia of the circle about the x-axis. The inertia of the circle about its centroidal axis is pi, radius is 75 raised to 4/4, and then i-transfer papunta sa x-axis. So plus area distance square. The area is pi r square times The distance from the centroid of the circle to the x-axis is 300 and then square. So Ix is equal to 2.178471823 times 10 raised to 10. Then apply the parallel axis theorem. Ix is equal to Ix bar plus area distance square. Ix is 2.178471823 times 10 raised to 10 equal to Ix bar is unknown plus the area is 162,328.5413 times the distance between the x bar and the x-axis equal to 318.4810384 and then square. So Ix bar is equal to 5,319,706,396.